When winter throws its worst at you, with relentless snowstorms and blizzards that blanket your surroundings in thick layers of snow, a three-stage snowblower is your ultimate weapon. This powerful machine is designed to tackle the most challenging winter conditions, ensuring that your driveways, sidewalks, and pathways remain clear and safe. Let's explore how these powerful machines make snow removal effortless. With their advanced technology and robust design, three-stage snowblowers are engineered to handle even the heaviest snowfall with ease. A three-stage snowblower is designed for the toughest winter conditions. Whether you're dealing with deep snow, heavy snowfall, or icy patches, this machine is built to perform. It features a unique three-stage system that allows for unparalleled snow clearing efficiency, making it ideal for heavy snowfall and ice. This system is what sets it apart from single and two-stage snowblowers. The key components include three augers, which break up and collect the snow. These augers are designed to handle large volumes of snow, breaking it down into manageable pieces, and a high-speed impeller that throws it out through the chute. The impeller works at high speeds to ensure that the snow is efficiently expelled, preventing clogs and ensuring continuous operation. This design maximizes snow handling capacity, allowing you to clear even the heaviest drifts. No matter how high the snow piles are, a three-stage snowblower can handle it with ease. When you start the snowblower, the first set of augers rotates to pull in the snow. These augers are the first line of defense against the snow, breaking it down and feeding it into the machine. These augers break apart the snow and ice, feeding it into the second auger, which further processes the material. The second auger ensures that any remaining chunks of ice or snow are broken down even further. Finally, the impeller propels the snow out through the chute, throwing it up to 50 feet away, ensuring your driveway stays clear. This powerful expulsion ensures that the cleared snow is deposited far from the area you're working on. Three-stage snowblowers excel in extremely heavy wet snow and ice, providing unmatched efficiency. They are particularly effective in conditions where other snowblowers might struggle, ensuring that you can keep your property clear no matter what. However, they can be heavier and more expensive than both single and two-stage models. This is due to their advanced design and additional components, which provide superior performance, but also add to the cost and weight. Now you know how three-stage snowblowers work. Understanding the mechanics behind these machines can help you make an informed decision when choosing the right snowblower for your needs. Get ready to tackle winter head-on, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more snow removal tips. Stay prepared and stay safe this winter season with the right tools and knowledge.